guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to play around with brand new makeup releases and create a full face, of course. I have some e.l.f. mint collection that I never used. I have a brand new mascara from Benefit. I have some lippies. I have a brand new palette from Morphe that I haven't used. So that is what we're gonna do today. So before we get into the makeup, guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell on. You already know I upload 3 videos every single week, baby. Alright guys, so with that being said, let's get ready to play with some brand new makeup. Alright, so I zoomed you in, I put some line define tapes on, of course. I already did my brows. So for eyeshadow, I actually been dying to try this palette out. And I'm talking about the 35S Oasis Morphe palette. This is what it looks like right here. The palette right here. It's just amazing. I haven't been excited for a Morphe palette in a while actually, and this one really looks freaking amazing. So this is what we're gonna play with today, of course. I don't know what I want to create yet. I think I want to play with the pinks and the corals and some of this like minty greens on this side and kind of mesh those together. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So to start off this eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Al Fresco. This one right here is just like a flesh tone color. I do like applying colors like this so everything else could blend easier. So like I said, I'm gonna take this and just run it all over my crease, just so everything could blend easier. Alright, so I definitely want to play, like I said, with the pinks and the green tones here. We're gonna start off with the first minty green tone. This is Snorkel Sesh right here. So I'm gonna take that and run it on my crease, of course. Alright guys, so that was cute. So now I want to go into our first pink shade. This is this one right here called Picture Perfect. This nice magenta color right there. And then just softly start building that color in there. I love this shade. And the way it's mixing with the green one. Honey. So this is looking really pretty. So I think I want to go into this e.l.f. Mint to Be palette. Take this really light minty green and go over just the top of everything just to blend it out. So this is looking really pretty. I took it way higher than I usually do, of course, because I want to cut the crease today. But before I cut the crease, I want to go in with this nice berry tone color right here called Yacht Life. And I want to use that just to deepen out the outer V. And then I think I want to go into one of these light green ones up here and just blend that out, of course. I'm just gonna, again, deepen this out. Alright, so this is all almost done. So I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna cut the crease, and then we're gonna come back to play with some shimmers. So guys, I cut my crease. I'm gonna tell you I cut my crease. As you can see, I went full on cut crease. I've never done this before. So because I'm trying something new, I kind of want to see if I do a wing with that dark color that we used before, the Yacht Life, which is this one right here. So like I said, I want to do a wing and then maybe go in with a shimmer like all over the lid. So I'm taking this Wet n Wild angled brush that is supposed to be like meant for a wing. I'm going to go into this shade right there. And I want to outline where I want the wing, of course, and then fill it in. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, I don't do wings ever on myself, on my channel. I'm praying that this works out. I'm gonna take this M152 brush and I want to fill in this wing just to see what we're working with. Alright, so that is the wing that I did right there. It's like a bat wing, of course, because I do have hood eyes. So I'm gonna do this in the other eye and then we're gonna come back so we can continue this face. Okay, so I think I want to go into this one right here called Island Hop. It's like a nice minty, really icy color. And I'm gonna place that around the lid. I'm gonna take this Nikita flat brush. These brushes are just really good. I went in with this Milani Metallic Light. This one is in gold. Alright guys, so eyes are done. I like how everything came out. This was stressful, but I want to try something new, so that's what I get, right? But let's finally get into the face products. Let's move into mascara. So we're gonna go in with this Benefit Their Real Magnet new mascara. But this is what it looks like. I like the fact that it has like that little magnet on top. That is really cute. I like the packaging, it's cute. So basically the mascara is supposed to have like little magnets, I guess, in the formula. So in the wand itself, it's supposed to have like a magnet, and then when you comb your lashes, it's supposed to extend them and just give you some crazy volume. So let's see, because my lashes are not the greatest, but we're gonna take this. It looks clumpy, and I'm not into clumpiness at all. Like, it's just, I don't know. This, no, I don't like it. I feel like my eyelashes, you probably can't tell on camera, but my eyelashes are clumpy the house. Like, stupid clumpy. No. So this is a no already, no. Alright guys, so moving on to lashes. I've been dying to try this new collection from Kiss. Look how beautiful they are. I already cut these to fit my eye shape, of course, but these are so pretty. So I'm gonna pop these on really quick, and then we could finally move on to the face. Alright guys, so as you can see, lashes are on, and these are like way more dramatic than my triple push-up collection, which I love. But I think with the look, I think it just looks good because the look is so dramatic to me personally. But yeah, these are really cute. So to prime the skin, I'm gonna go in with this new e.l.f. Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. Never used this primer yet. Like I said, I've been having this collection here for about like almost 2 weeks, and I haven't used it. So I took some in the back of my finger. Ew, that looks nasty. And I'm gonna rub it. Oh, this one is thick. Holy crap, this is, oh, it does smell like mint. Right, so this is way thicker than the Milk Hydrating Grip. This is way thicker than the Jelly Pop one that they came out with before, the red one. Way thicker. This is stupid thick. Holy crap. Alright guys, so primer has been on for a couple minutes. Now I'm gonna go in with this Milani Supercharged Brightening Under Eye Tint. This has been literally one of my favorite things to put right before obviously foundation and concealer. It is really freaking good. I am in the shade 120 Peach. So I'm gonna take some, just blend it out with my finger, of course. You see the difference? Like, this is tint and this is no tint. Do you see how much it covered? Like, honey, like, beautiful. And I can't sleep at night. I highly suggest you pick this up because it's not just a hype product. It really works. As you can see, like, this is so freaking good. Alright, so foundation wise, this is not a brand new foundation. I'm gonna tell you guys right now. But one, I didn't really see a foundation that is new that I already didn't have. I was gonna go in with this Camo Concealer CC cream from e.l.f. but I've used it plenty of my videos and I love it. Like, I'm almost done with it, so I have to go pick up a new one. So I've been dying to try this foundation out. It's supposed to be amazing, especially for oily skin like me. And I'm talking about the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. This is what it looks like right here. So I am in the shade 2N1 Desert Beige. So really quick about this foundation, the only thing that is like I can't believe is the fact that you have to buy the pump. So the foundation is like almost 40 bucks and then the pump is 10, so it comes out to a $50 foundation. So this better work, because the fact that I had to buy a pump, like, that's ridiculous. But that is what we're gonna use today. Concealer, I'm trying out the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. This I've never used before. Alright, so I'm actually gonna take one full pump. As you can see, one full pump. I'm gonna distribute that on my right side of my face, your left. It smells really good. It smells like skincare almost. So I'm gonna spray some setting spray and I'm gonna just blend this out. Wow, not gonna lie, my skin looks amazing. Like, wow. This is how it's looking so far. I'm not gonna lie, my face looks dumb good, but this foundation is worth this money. Like, literally, this was only 2 pumps and the coverage is actually really good. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with the ColourPop concealer. So I'm gonna take my sponge and blend this out. This looks good. Look at the coverage, like, wow. So to set it before this starts cracking, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Lasting Fix Banana Setting Powder. This one is like the newest setting powder that came out, and I'm not gonna lie, I freaking love this powder. So I'm gonna take this Morphe brush, which is the way I like applying my powder. So before I set the face, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Putty Blush right here. This is the shade that I'm gonna use today. It's beautiful, like nice pink. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I'm gonna take this blush brush. Let's place this apple of our cheeks. Ooh, huepa. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the rest of this and just place it on this side. I'm just gonna keep on just blending this in because, ooh, child. So now we're gonna go into bronzer, blush, and highlighter. So all those products you can get it in one palette, and I'm talking about the BH Cosmetics BFF Alondra and Elsie collaboration. I actually filmed a whole video reviewing this collection, which I'm gonna leave right here on the YouTube cards for you. But this, when I tell you, this palette is just beautiful. You have a highlighter here, you have a blush, you have a contour shade, and a bronzer. This is like amazing. So when I was in Ulta, I actually purchased a brand new brush for bronzer, and I'm talking about the Real Technique, the number 227. This is supposed to be for bronzing and powder. I went in with Skinny Legends last time, and I'm just gonna go in with it, tap off the excess, and just bronze this face. Then for a blush, we're gonna take this one right here from the same palette. This is You're My Person, which is this one right there. I'm gonna take this Morphe 405 stipple brush. We're gonna set the blush. Ooh, yes, baby. I'm loving this. And then for highlight, we're gonna go in with the same one right here. This beautiful highlight right there. So I'm actually gonna go in with this lip gloss from ColourPop. This is the Luxe Gloss in Tied Up. This one right here. It's really, really pretty. So that is gloss on. This is cute because it looks pink on the bottle, but it's like a nice neutral-ish type of shade. So this is good. Alright guys, so to set this mug, we're gonna go in with the Milani Supercharged Revitalizing Facial Mist. This right here, oh my god, this is the one I'm saying that it's like orange juice in a bottle. It is so freaking yummy. Alright guys, so this is the final look that I created using all these wonderful products. I'm telling you right now, these products are amazing. All these drops lately has been really killing the game. Oh my god. When it comes to this palette right here, this is the most cutest palette that Morphe has created since, I would say, Lisa Frank. This is just beautiful. I could just see that I'm gonna be using this so much when it comes to spring and summer. This is so freaking pretty. Everything blended really well. The colors have really good pigment, which is good because sometimes Morphe be a little but really, really good. Like I said in my video of this collaboration review, this is amazing. Definitely go check out this collaboration from BH because it is amazing, especially this palette right here, the face palette. This is like top notch. This, like, it's just pretty. You get everything in one palette, which is amazing. The supercharged Milani spray, this is just so good. Like, it smells just like oranges and it just wakes you up. It does make your makeup last. Milani setting spray is literally holy grail. Another amazing product, like, I cannot believe this, is this Estee Lauder foundation. I cannot believe I haven't used this before. This is freaking amazing. I cannot wait to keep using it because it is that good. This face primer from e.l.f., this is good. It is really sticky. That's one thing I'm gonna say. It's stickier than actually the Milk Hydro Grip. Doesn't give me like a cooling effect or anything like that, but it is a good primer. So I'm definitely excited to keep using this because yeah, it's really good. This putty blush from e.l.f. When I tell you, e.l.f. has been killing it, honey. This is so pretty. Amazing, amazing pigment. It blends out really well. It is just good. Happy that I actually created a look with these. Definitely check out these products out in your Ulta because, like I said, they're really good. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite product that I used in today's video. Let me know if you like my eyeshadow or not. I cannot wait for other launches to come out. I'm definitely gonna keep bringing you more and more of these new releases. So definitely get ready for that. But again, guys, thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with your boy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.